I'm from Johannesburg, South Africa. Practice at a centre called Integrative Medical Centre. A group of doctors and consulting pharmacists have joined together to set up the centre. We have our own compounding pharmacy there. We have a stock of nutraceuticals, natural medicines. We also have an esthetician that is part of our centre. It's kind of a unique centre in that there's very few integrative medical centres in South Africa. It's quite a new modality of medicine in South Africa, and it's quite exciting being part of the team, or a team, that has a similar mindset in this new paradigm shift in medicine. I'm seen as a specialist in bioidentical hormone replenishment therapy. That tends to be at least 50% of my practice. So yeah, we use a combination of treatments, ranging from bioidentical hormones to other natural vitamins, minerals, herbs, nutraceuticals, and then allopathic drugs where needed. We also do some specialized treatments like chelation therapies at our centre. We do have a drip room where we do micronutrient repletions or vitamin drips like Myers cocktails and so on. Intravenous chelation therapies when needed. We do intravenous phospholipid exchange. Quite exciting new therapies for neurodegenerative diseases. So there's many aspects to the practice. Our investigations tend to be far more comprehensive than the conventional approach, which I was taught in medical school, which is really an approach to diagnose disease. The anti-aging or the preventative model is more thorough in that you want to actually prevent the disease from occurring in the first place. So we tend to have a lot of laboratory investigations, sometimes more blood investigations than one would do normally. But the idea really is to sustain health and prevent disease. We also do various other tests, like single nucleotide polymorphisms, genetic testing, in other words. We have our own laboratory facility at our centre as well, where we thoroughly examine people, including bone densities and thermographies, as well as routine procedures like stress ECGs. We also have a machine called EndoPAT, which is quite a new device to assess for endothelial dysfunction. It'll give you far more information than a stress ECG, for example. So we have quite a sophisticated centre, primarily focusing on investigating more thoroughly to sustain your health and prevent disease occurring. We have a centre called Integrative Medical Centre, which is located in Bryanston, Johannesburg. We can be contacted on 011 463 0036. We also have a website, www.imcmed.co.za. My personal website is www.antiagingdoctor.co.za. That's the easiest way to get hold of us.